Well, it's official. I have the craziest adventures sometimes. I went to my sister's to get a haircut, and when I got there, she was on the phone with animal control about these two little baby birds that fell out of a tree, and I sort of volunteered to take them to a animal shelter to help them out. But they're super cute. They're super cute. Let's take a look at them. This little box over here. And I'm driving about 45-50 minutes away to get them to the animal shelter. And yeah, cool adventure. Really, really cool adventure. And yeah, guys, just have respect for life, you know, and help people and creatures along the way. That's all you can do. Super cute. We're about to get help. Wish my daughter Jalen was with me, but she stayed at home. This would have been a cool daddy-daughter adventure. Chirping. It's okay, babies. It's okay, babies. You're gonna get help. You're gonna get help. Well, that's my adventure for today. I have so many adventures. life is cool, you know, sometimes. So, but yep. Take one more look at them. I know, we're getting there.
Continue on US 74 East for 3/4 of a mile.
There. Don't worry, baby. We're getting there. Super hungry. Super hungry. We're getting there, don't worry.
In half a mile, use the left lane to stay on US 74 East.
I'm here now at the animal drop-off. Let's see. Let's take one more look at the babies. Come here. We're here, guys. We're here. It's okay. We're gonna make sure you get taken care of. There, get a better look at them. Oh, poor babies. Don't know where mommy went. It's okay. Hey, baby bird. You're gonna be okay. Alright, guys. Glad I could help.